Hi, welcome to Aussie Nomads Destinations. Follow us as we caravan our way around Australia. This is Ed and I'm Bec, and we're finding you the best free and budget camp spots Oz has to offer. Fishing, crabbing and hiking our way through this awesome country.
While we didn't film much in Albury, it was just more of a pit stop to get those ever-mounting list of jobs done. We stayed at the Albury Showgrounds.
Back in New South Wales.
The cost was $27 with power and water. There was what looked like a brand new toilet and shower block with pin codes on the door. It also has a laundry. I think it was $6 a load from memory. There was a large row of clotheslines, and yes, we washed everything. It was a good flat area, not pretty by any means, but very practical. This is a self-help showgrounds. There is no one on site. You book online, they send you the info via email. There are no numbers on the sites. You just pick a site and set up.
So we have been in Albury for a couple of days, doing that car service, washing, shopping, getting camera parts and all those bits and pieces you can't get out in the bush. And now we are off to the farmers market. Welcome to Victoria! Just for a day trip.
You just eat them all. Thanks, Aaron.
So today we are having a day off from van scrubbing and hair cutting and car servicing and all those little jobs you get to do when you live on the road. And we are off to do a lap around the Hume Dam. That's either Lake Hume or Hume Lake. Lake Hume, according to that sign. How cute are they? There's 3 of them. They'll be off to steal some bread. So we are at the old Huon railway station. That's the old railway siding at Huon. We are heading to the lookout at Tallangatta. Sometimes you just get to places and it's a surprise. This wasn't even really marked on any maps. When we get here, it's a beautiful picnic area and this gorgeous lookout looking over Tallangatta and Lake Hume. Have a look at that. Well, that's very interesting. In 1950, when they built Lake Hume, they moved the whole town of Tallangatta 8 kilometres west. So it was built between 1919 and 1936. We end up in the best places. In 1930 it was built. Guess where we're going? We are going to the Ettamogga pub. Come with us.
I have been waiting to go here for years. Do you remember the comics in the paper years ago? Can't actually go inside anymore, she's too old. But you can wander around the outside. The next afternoon, Ed had just got back from the Ford dealers and I was scrubbing the inside of the van. We could both hear this racket outside. Ed stuck his head out the door. The showgrounds has a trotting track and the trots had just started. So we got changed into our finery, jeans and thongs, and off to the trots we went. A short stumble across the campgrounds. Well, actually, we just followed everyone else. I'm pretty sure every other camper was there as well. We had been here for 5 days. With all jobs done, today we are heading to Tumut.
We have just set up at Jones's Bridge Campgrounds. It's a 48-hour stay. It's 8 kilometres south of Tumut and it is a donation camp. Let me show you around.
This is a beautiful campgrounds on the banks of the Tumut River. Wow, it is just stunning. Wait till the end of the vlog. The sunrises are amazing. The area holds about 10 to 12 caravans. It is well maintained, mowed grass and fire pits. There are no toilets or bins or water. But here's a little bit of info. There are toilets up the road at the dam. And water from the creek if need be. In Tumut, there is a dump point and a water filling tap and bins. There are also supermarkets, camping stores, breweries, and pretty much everything you need. Yes, there are trout in this river. We could see them. Did we catch them? No, we didn't. Fun all the same trying.
So he's taking me to lunch. We are off to the Tumut Brewing Company. Isn't he lovely?
After a couple of ciders and an absolutely delicious prawn and salmon pizza, we headed next door to the straw broom factory.
We are going to the Tumut Broom Factory to see if we can get me a new vehicle. Which one will I pick? They all look like a pretty good ride.
How old school is this? They're still hand making them. I would have loved one for the caravan, but they were a bit big. After the broom factory, we headed down to the park, to the old bridge. Again, we could see the trout in the water. This is a beautiful park and it runs right along the side of the river with walking tracks.
We are at the Adelong Falls Gold Mill ruins. Off we'll go, Eddie. So the gold was discovered in 1852.
We walked down to the lookout. I did think you could just drive to the ruins, but no, you had to walk down a ton of stairs. And it had been raining all afternoon, off and on, so we didn't chance it. It was originally built in 1870.
1870.
We arrived home and sat and enjoyed the sunset over the river. These super busy little wrens just keep us entertained. They are so cute. The sun dances over the water, and the water, well, it is that clear you can see the bottom. Don't you just love weeping trees? A young fellow turned up to do some fly fishing, something I've always wanted to try. I did try standing in the river. Polar bears and fur seals, that's what should be in there, not humans. I am an early riser. Usually get up, make a coffee, and sit and enjoy the morning or head off for a walk. How was the morning today? Next level stunning. Enjoy. The pro fishermen turned up with their clients for the day. It was great watching them head off down the river to Tumut. Well, that's us for this week. We are heading up to the high country, to Long Plains on the Snowy Mountain Highway, east of Yerongabilly. We are heading for Brumby country. I'm so excited to get up there. I love the high country as much as I love the ocean. Stay happy, be kind, love your life, and we'll see you next week, Sunday at 6 a.m. Don't you forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like. See ya!